Shipping container homes are one of the fastest growing affordable housing trends. Cost-effective, modern, durable, and endlessly customizable. Picture cinematic drone reveals, boots-on-the-ground builds, and cozy finished interiors. We'll cover sizes, budgets, design ideas, and tips, so you don't get blindsided by costs or codes. The modern studio container home is the ultimate entry-level project. Features: integrated kitchenette, compact bathroom, convertible living-sleeping layout. Estimated size 2 to 350 square feet. Budgets from $15,000 to $50,000 depending on finishes and DIY. Best use: starter home, guest suite, rental, or backyard studio. Advantages: low cost, fast to build, tiny footprint. Design ideas: a full-height window wall, built-in storage, and a small deck expand livability. Tips: prioritize insulation, choose a mini-split, and verify accessory structure codes early. An off-grid container cabin is about independence. Core systems: composting or septic, solar with battery, backup generator, and water storage with filtration. Expect 250 to 900 square feet. Budgets from $25,000 to $120,000, driven by self-sufficiency level. Best use: remote retreats, hunting cabins, homestead living. Advantages: low recurring bills, rugged steel structure, small site footprint. Design ideas: a sheltered porch for weather, compact circulation, and a wood stove for resilient heating. Tips: verify sun exposure and water before finalizing the plan. Size solar and batteries to typical loads. Design waste systems early, and confirm permits for septic or alternatives. A luxury 2-container home proves a compact steel shell can feel boutique. 2 40-foot units yield 600 to 900 square feet. Budgets from $70,000 to $180,000 based on finishes. High ceilings, integrated lighting, and custom millwork elevate the experience. Use premium materials strategically. Stone at touch points, seamless floors for flow. Interior load changes need thoughtful reinforcement. Skilled metalwork and tight millwork tolerances pay off. High-quality insulation and right-sized HVAC keep comfort steady without oversizing. Tips: engage an engineer for openings, budget for insulation and HVAC, source experienced fabricators, and integrate smart lighting and climate. A family container house uses multiple modules for real-life space. Expect 900 to 1,600 square feet, with budgets from $60,000 to $180,000. Advantages: cost savings and speed. Structural shells arrive ready for reconfiguration. Designed for noise control between sleeping zones. Open kitchens connect to living. Kids' lofts and movable partitions adapt over time. Work with a structural engineer for big openings and meet egress and fire separation requirements. Invest in insulation, right-size mechanicals to condition volume, and plan foundations utilities for future expansion. A backyard container guest house delivers privacy and utility. 200 to 400 square feet. Budgets $20,000 to $60,000. Best use: guests or rental income. Advantage: adds value and flexibility. Check ADU rules, setbacks, and parking early to avoid rework. Fold-away furniture, built-ins, and tight plumbing stacks maximize space. Use landscaping for screening and separate utilities where possible. Plan a simple private entrance. Rough in HVAC and plumbing before finishes. Choose durable, wipeable materials designed for independent access. A single 20-foot container makes an ideal dedicated office or studio. 1 to 250 square feet. Budgets $8,000 to $30,000. Address soundproofing, HVAC, and reliable internet first. Often lighter permits, but verify local accessory rules. Use a glazed wall for light. Opposite wall for built-in desks and storage. Hide services in a mechanical chase. For makers, add durable floors, flexible power drops, and ergonomic outlet placement. Run power and data before closing walls, insulate for year-round comfort, and use piers or a gravel pad to keep install costs down. For rugged sites, a container cabin offers a tough, transportable shell. Sizes 400 to 1,200 square feet. Budgets $45,000 to $140,000. Add a sloped roof to shed snow and gain headroom. Wood finishes and big windows make the steel box feel warm and connected. Evaluate truck access early. Coordinate crane sizes. On slopes. Budget for engineered retaining or piers. Prioritize insulation and high-performance windows to tame heating loads. Tips: confirm delivery routes, reinforce for slopes, and designed for cold with airtightness and right-sized heat sources. A beach-style container home leverages durability for coastal life. Planned for salt, sun, and storms, sizes 600 to 1,400 square feet. Raise foundations and use large sliders for indoor-outdoor flow. Use marine-grade coatings, stainless hardware, and weather-resistant siding. Wraparound decks capture breezes. Louvered shades control glare while keeping airflow. Inside, choose humidity-hardy finishes for easy care. Confirm coastal zoning and elevation requirements. Elevate for flood risk. Specify marine-grade details. Pair a compact shell with rooftop solar and battery storage to slash operating costs. Expect 400 to 1,200 square feet. Budgets 40 to 150, rising with battery capacity and panel quality. Design orientation, windows and insulation first to reduce required PV and storage. Use reflective finishes, green roofs and pergolas to curb heat loads. Size batteries to nighttime cloudy loads. Pick efficient appliances, LEDs, and mini splits. Start renewable permits and interconnection early. They're long lead items. Optimize the envelope, choose white or reflective cladding in hot climates, and submit utility paperwork early. Combine 20s and 40s for a full-size open-plan home with rooftop deck and integrated garage. Scale from about 1,800 up to 3,000 square feet. Budgets roughly 80 to 220 plus finishes. Start small and add modules. It functions like a conventional house, but builds faster. Stagger stacks for terraces, add large glazing, hire a structural engineer, and coordinate utilities before finishes. Treat for corrosion, insulate well, and detail roof decks with proper load paths to the foundation. With thoughtful detailing, containers can feel high-end without the typical price tag. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and check the description for recommended shipping container home plans and resources.